of people nowadays are looking into buying properties and investing in real estate. Now, among the factors usually considered in the decision is location, sizes of units, and of course, value for money. But what should we really be looking for in choosing the best real estate property? Well, to help us with that, joining us now here in the studio is Chad Sotelo. He's the Senior Vice President and Business Unit General Manager of RLC Residences. Good morning, Chad. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
It's a real pleasure. Now, how would you describe the state of property buying in the Philippines? Are Filipinos buying more properties? Is real estate something that people are really sort of taking a close look at in terms of investment?
Speaking for RLC Residences, it seems to be picking up.
Yeah.
It did surprisingly well last year as we were roughly about to exit the pandemic, so to speak. And that trend is continuing this year as far as we can tell. So far, Filipinos are still interested in real estate, still very discerning, and still buying maybe a little bit more choiceful and selective on what they want, but they're still buying. Okay, well, that's good news. Good to hear. On that subject, what exactly are they looking for? What are their preferences, and what type of or level of properties are in demand? As far as we can tell, and the recent studies that came out just last week seem to corroborate this, there's a certain segment of the real estate market that seems to be looking for a little bit more premium properties. Larger cuts, larger sizes, locations, and a little bit more premium locations. That seems to be a segment of the market that's growing a little bit faster than the rest of the industry.
Well, it's good to hear that there are prosperity abounds. When we use the word premium a lot, what exactly makes a property premium so that, so much so that we can call it or term it as premium?
Well, there's what I call the basics, right? So generally larger sizes. Like a typical one-bedroom unit would be about 30 square meters. Premium would be anywhere from about 36 to 42 to 46. So larger cuts. The materials used in construction are a little bit above what you would normally expect. The amenities offer something distinct and different. They could be larger. They could be more specialized. Like you would find amenities in premium properties such as, let's say, golf simulators, which you wouldn't normally find in others. So larger sizes, a little bit more specialized amenities, location, obviously, in very specialized locations, typically in estates. Those are some of the factors that make a property premium.
This is very exciting news to me. Let's talk about who's buying these properties. Are we talking about professionals, singles, people who are starting, small families? What's the profile like?
If we're talking about premium condominiums, the profile nowadays of the people looking for them are really what I would like to call working professionals that are about to get there, so to speak. They've been in their career for quite some time. Most of them have families, whether they've just started or they have children already. Some of them are still single, but they're really in that place in their life and career where they're like, okay, I'm ready for bigger things, better things.
Okay, well, RLC Residences recently launched your first premium property development, the Le Pont Residences in Bridgetown. This is a pretty exciting venture for you. Let's talk about Le Pont. What are the pluses of Le Pont?
Le Pont is really it's our first premium property. When I say first premium property, it's the first premium property we have wherein we went on it all by ourselves.
Right.
We had just recently turned over the Westin Residences, which is our partnership with Westin. This is the first time that we're launching a property where it's all with RLC Residences. Located at Bridgetown Destination Estate. We're really excited about it.
Okay, well, how can this property development help modern professionals? I mean, you did talk about the profile, a typical or more typical profile of people who are looking at these types of properties. How does it sort of fit into where they are and where they want to be?
Well, Le Pont Residences was designed to really cater to this segment of the market. So it offers larger sized units versus the typical sized units. Our one-bedroom unit starts at 46 square meters with what we call a extended outdoor space or a loggia.
Yeah.
Which is some people may say it's a fancy term for a balcony, but it's really an extended living space that protrudes outside of your unit. Our amenities are what we like to call hypersized. Not just your typical amenities, but larger amenities, so you can enjoy it in a much better way. And obviously, it's located in Bridgetown Destination Estate. It's a really exciting place to be in. So it's these three things that really make us confident that Le Pont will really appeal to this segment of the market.
Right, and definitely it will, cater or give them the elevated lifestyle that they are looking for. Take us through the advantages of getting a unit at this point. What's the projected value appreciation in the coming years? It's obviously a very sound investment. It'll give you the ability to enjoy that lifestyle, like we said, that they are yearning for. But at the same time, it's a very solid investment, isn't it?
Very solid investment indeed. If I just take a look at the data, both internally and what's available in the industry, value appreciation ranges anywhere from about 12 to about 21% in that range. So it's a very solid investment. We expect greater things for LuPont, not just as the project develops, but also as the area develops.
Right.
Lots of exciting things about to happen in Bridgetown Destination Estate. All of these things combined will really make your investment worthwhile.
All right, Chad, where do I sign? Where's the dotted line? I'm sold.
I have a salesperson right there waiting for you.
Drop the paperwork. We'll talk after this. But let's talk about some of the sizes and some of the prices.
Sure. The one-bedroom unit is at 46 square meters.
Okay.
Prices start at approximately 12 to 13 million, all the way to our penthouse size units, ranging from about 250 to about 350 square meters. Prices range from about 100 to 120 million. We offer one-bedroom, two-bedroom, three-bedroom, and penthouse size units.
Well, I may have to break open the piggy bank, but I'm very keen, very interested. It sounds like a great investment. Like you said, really a great way for young professionals and people who are starting families to really sort of get out there and enjoy the lifestyle that they're looking for. Go ahead and invite people, prospective buyers, to come out and check out what you guys have on offer.
Yeah, we're really excited about LuPont Residences. We really feel that it is designed to be able to fit to what this segment of the market is looking for, with our hyper-sized amenities, with our location in Bridgetown, with unit features such as smart home.
Yeah.
We really feel that it's going to be bridging you to your best life. So really like to invite everyone to just, come talk to your salespeople and experience what it is.
I'm booking an appointment right now. Chad, thank you so much for joining us this morning here on New Day.
Thanks for having me.